Welcome to this tutorial, where we will explore how you can easily customize the appearance of your IMO app by changing its background color. Many users want their chat experience to look more personal, and adjusting the background to make the app feel unique. First, open the IMO app on your phone. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the top left. Next, you will see your profile name at the top of the page. Click on your profile name to open the profile settings. Then scroll down and click on the Edit button at the bottom of your profile page. From here, you will see the background option. Tap on it to view the available background colors. Choose the background color that you prefer from the list provided. Finally, click on the Save icon at the bottom to confirm your changes. Your IMO app will now have the new background color, giving it a refreshed and personalized look. If you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing to the channel, giving the video a like, and sharing it with others. Thank you very much for watching,